Hello, my name is Jeremy Porter, and today I get to show you this 3-bed, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, single family home with 2,041 square feet in Orlando, Florida. Come with me, let's go! We guarantee that if you're not 100% satisfied with your home purchase within 18 months, we'll buy it back or sell it for free. Message us now for details on this program. As your buyer's agent, if we don't save you $10,000 or more off the offer price, we'll pay you the difference up to $1,000. Our VIP buyer program includes a 1-year warranty when you purchase a home with the Porter Group. Ask us about details. We'll help you prepare the offer with the terms, provisions, and addendums weighted in your best interest. When you purchase a home with the Porter Group, you will receive a written buyer satisfaction guarantee, whereby we agree in writing to sell your home if you're dissatisfied for any reason up to 18 months after you purchase it for free, or we'll buy it back guaranteed. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have questions about this property or any others, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Thank you. Bye now.